Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is essential for managing your business's online presence on Google Search and Maps. Understanding ownership transfer is crucial for business continuity and proper management. The Google Business Profile dashboard is where business owners manage their online presence, update information, respond to reviews, and access performance analytics. Primary ownership determines who has ultimate control over these features. There are three distinct user roles in Google Business Profile, each with different levels of access and control. Understanding these roles is essential before initiating any ownership transfer. The primary owner has complete control, including the ability to transfer ownership and delete the profile. Owners can edit business information and manage content, but cannot transfer ownership. Managers have the most limited access with basic editing capabilities only. Before initiating an ownership transfer, several important prerequisites must be met to ensure a successful transition. Both the current and new owner must have Google accounts. The business profile must remain verified throughout the process to avoid disruptions. Only the current primary owner can initiate the transfer, and the new owner has 7 days to accept the invitation. The direct transfer method is the most common and recommended approach for transferring Google Business Profile ownership. This method provides the smoothest transition with the highest success rate. Direct transfer offers a 94% success rate and typically completes within 2 to 3 business days. This method maintains verification status and preserves all business data, including reviews, analytics, and connected services. Understanding these fundamentals of Google Business Profile ownership transfer ensures you're prepared for a successful transition. The next step involves following the specific procedures for executing the direct transfer method. To begin the direct ownership transfer, sign in to business.google.com and select the business profile you want to transfer. Next, navigate to the Users section in the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the permission and ownership settings for your business profile. Locate the Primary Owner section and click Transfer Ownership. You'll then enter the new owner's Gmail address in the provided field. After confirming the transfer request, the new owner will receive an email notification with an acceptance link. This email typically arrives within a few minutes. The new owner must click the acceptance link in the email and confirm they want to accept ownership of the business profile. This step is crucial and must be completed within 7 days. The ownership transfer process typically completes within 24 to 48 hours after acceptance. During this time, both parties will receive confirmation emails. Before initiating the transfer, make sure to document all connected services and integrations. This includes third-party tools, automated posting services, and review management systems that may need to be reconfigured after the transfer.